Hi again, let's continue. Now we have a gateway and management without fix, the latest one. We will configure now the two interfaces with routing to the internet, and then we will configure the dashboard, the policy. So let's get started. 10.5.5.5.3. ATH it's 10.5.4.3. You can make comments like internal and the ETH2 should be 10.5.1.3. This one, internet. Now I will change the default gateway. And let's check if we have internet. Let's do like we have internet, we have resolved. So I should. Now we can continue to the policy. I can download here the Smart Console, but I already installed it. So I'm going from here, as you can see, FWM admin, not the Linux one, the management, and the firewall is 10.5.5.3. This is the fingerprint. If you're not familiar with your firewall, check the fingerprint. If it's in your LAN, so 99% it's your firewall and not other one. Okay, so let's get back to the lab. The first thing to do is that only host A can manage the firewall. So I will configure only this one can manage the firewall. I will put the first role 10.5.5.11. If I don't get it, I will call it 1 minute host PC. I like to give it different GUI client, different color for each VLAN, for each subnet. Let's change it to accept and log. And I will check my specific gateway because if you use another, if you can add more gateways to this management, so each rule can be installed on different gateway. And here I use the HTTPS and SSH. Let's go to the lab. The first two was PC, SSH, HTTPS. Now add rule below. Anyone who is talking to this gateway will be dropped. Log this one called stills. This one firewall management. Now I will put the cleanup. This one just for logging, because the firewall will do it anyway, but you will not see any log on it. And this one for all policy targets. Now I will configure below this. All the rules will come between the stilt and the cleanup. Now we need, 1 minute. The first thing, Windows 10 VM can access the internet. So 10.5.4.11. Different color for different subnets. This one, Win10 VM. And I will put the host PC and the gateway. And I will do negate. Negates, it's mean you can go anywhere, but not only, but just for those one you can't go. And we want it to be HTTP. You can drag it from here, HTTPS, and domain UDP to resolve DNS, otherwise you can't solve the internet. Okay. The next rule, we want host PC to FTP the Win10 VM. So we gonna make a rule below. אנחנו רוצים host PC to Win10 VM FTP. We'll do accept. We'll do log and do gateway. And what else? I think that's it. We have this one and any drop. So let's push policy. Now let's go to the Win10 VM and check the configuration. We need it on VMnet 10. 1 minute. No, we need it on VMnet 1, sorry. VMnet 1. Okay, the installation is finished. So let's check if we have internet access to this VM. First of all, I'm checking that it's automatically. I will do disable enable to refresh the DHCP. Let's see which IP we get here. 10.5.4.50. So it should be 10.5.4.11. So we can do it manually. I don't know how to do reservation on the VMware. 10.5.4.11 and the gateway 10.5.4.3 and Google.